Railfan here. Today I have a unboxing video. Once again, we have Walthers products. Today we got an SD45, also in Conrail. This has, I think it's Soundtraxx, I believe. Tsunami. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a unboxing and test of it. Let's get this thing open. I'm also going to be doing a layout update, because as you can see, it's a big update. Okay, we're already 1/4 of the way there. Yeah, I should probably just okay, now we're halfway there. Okay, and it seems to have the same packaging as the SD60. So yeah, we should be able to. Well, actually, this one has a little more safer packaging, I'd presume. So the fact that it is a Proto. Okay, let's see this too. I believe Athearn also packages their locomotives this way. At least this is how my CF7 came when I unboxed it, which I didn't do it on camera, but still. Alright, yeah. I'm not really sure how to get this out, so pretty sure we have to yeah, to be honest, I'm not really sure how to get it out of the actual box. Maybe I have to. Okay, there we are. Okay, now we just gotta. This is some hard packaging. Must mean the locomotive is in good condition though. Yeah, I gotta have 2 hands for this. Yeah, get the knife. Okay, and yeah, now we just gotta take this on out. Okay, and set it on the track. Now, as you can see, we have a SD45. I'm gonna take the foam out of the handrails. I like how this one has more foam on the handrails. Since you know, the SD60M did not have foam on the front and rear handrails. So as you can see, it does look pretty good. The packaging was at least good enough to keep the locomotive safe. This we do have figures inside, and we do in fact have grab irons as well. And ooh, we even have the cab signal box on the opposite side. So now we're gonna turn this thing on. That's nice. It had to start up unlock the SD60M. So yeah, we're gonna see, oh wait, right, it's still on 4, alright, so we're gonna, there's the front headlight, oh shoot, I just dimmed this out, there's dim headlight, and there's number boards, let's take a look at the rear, alright, and the rear number boards also light up, just like the rear thing. We're gonna do automatic rear headlight apparently. seems does in fact have a lot more sound features as well as detail, of course, than the SD60M. Ooh, I should probably get the knife off the truck. Alright, now we're probably gonna see the horn. I must say, it is better than the SD60M, and I believe the SD60M does in fact have Soundtraxx. But the horn is spot on the Soundtraxx SD60M, or, well, you know, the Soundtraxx decoder. But the bell on the Soundtraxx decoders are all pretty generic. But yeah. Take a look at any other features. Nope. Alright, cool. It's fine, I guess. I believe there is actually a bit more detail in the cab other than the figures. Oh, and now I can see a wire. So now, hey, at least there's, you know, people driving it. It's not like a runaway train. Alright, now we're just gonna, so that, let's see that, the form's on the switch. Now the speed, I should probably get that programmed, but I'm not really sure where. Alright, now we're just gonna... Now, and I must say the back headlight's kind of smooth when you change directions though. But other than that, speed is the only really major flaw. And I see we have class lights on there too. Oh shoot, that's what's alright, dang. I really wish the class lights would come on as well, but no, they apparently not. Other than that, it's a pretty good model. I'll try to film some trains running in the next layout update, including this one. Oh wait, shit. So, yeah. Till next time, we'll see you in a real film. Out.